welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'm going to be talking about everything that you need to know about exfoliation as a beginner. And as a bonus, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the particular body scrub that I use, and I'm going to be explaining everything I need to know about that body scrub. I'm going to be talking about what exfoliation is, types of exfoliants, importance of exfoliating. And if this sounds like something that you want to hear, make sure that you stick around and actually watch this video till the very end. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Preview. So starting off, it's very important that you understand the meaning of exfoliation. What is exfoliation? I've been hearing about exfoliation. Why is it important? Why do I have to exfoliate? Is it necessary? Is it important? Once I'm done with explaining what exfoliation is, you're going to find out the answer by yourself. Okay, so what is exfoliation? Exfoliation is basically a skincare technique where you take out the dead skin cells that are present on the surface of your skin, either by using a physical scrub or chemicals. Now, why is exfoliation important? It helps to take out those dead skin cells that are present on the surface of your skin, which make your skin appear dull. And when those dead skin cells are taken off the surface of your skin, it reveals a brighter and radiant skin, and it also helps your skincare products to penetrate and get absorbed better. Now, the body is capable of doing this. The body is capable of skin regeneration, or regeneration of new skin cells, and taking off the dead skin cells on the surface of your body. What exfoliation does essentially is just to enhance this and help you get better results, because the body's self-renewal process, as you age, it starts to slow down. So what exfoliation does is just to enhance it. Okay, now moving on, what are the methods of exfoliation? The first method is with the use of physical exfoliants, and the second is with the use of chemical exfoliants. These are like the two basic exfoliating methods that a beginner, someone that is a beginner in skincare, should actually know. Now, what is an exfoliant, or what are physical exfoliants, what are chemical exfoliants? Because I'll be using this term often in this video and you just have to be familiar with it. Now, exfoliants are just those products that help you to exfoliate, or those products that you use to exfoliate. Now, what are examples of physical exfoliants? Examples of physical exfoliants are like your physical scrubs. Your physical scrubs contain granules, like fine granules that help to take out those dead skin cells that are present on the surface of your skin. And examples of these granules could be salt, could be sugar, could be like apricot. These are like the common ones I usually see. So they help to take out those dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. What are chemical exfoliants? What are examples of chemical exfoliants? An example of a chemical exfoliant is your exfoliating toner, like your glycolic acid exfoliating toner, which contains glycolic acid, which will help to dissolve those skin cells and helps to dissolve the bonds between the dead skin cells and the surface of your skin, helping to take out those dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. Now, it's important that you know how to use whatever exfoliants that you decide to use for your own skin type, because yes, you have to know the particular exfoliating method that works for your skin type and the type of exfoliant to get. Now, once you have figured that out, it's important that you know how to use it and you do not abuse it, because if you abuse it, once this exfoliant is done with its job of taking out the dead skin cells primarily out of the surface of your skin, it will start damaging the cells that are present on your epidermis. Now, your epidermis is like the outermost layer of your skin. It will start damaging those cells that are present on your epidermis, and you do not want that to happen. So it's important that you also know how to use these exfoliants, whatever exfoliants you decide to go with. Okay, let's move on to talking about exfoliating as a skincare technique. Now, I said I was going to talk about the physical scrub, or the scrub I use. So I'm going to say everything that I need to use about it, that you need to know about it. Now, the Cool Spa salt scrub, in fact, from the name you already know the type of particle that it contains salt. The salt is the main granule that helps to take out the dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. So that means that it is a physical scrub, and if you use it, you will be using the, and if you use it, you'll be exfoliating with the use of physical exfoliants. Now, it doesn't only contain salt, it contains other ingredients too, but salt is the main granule that helps take out those dead skin cells that are present on the surface of your skin. Now, how often should you use the scrub so that you don't abuse it and it ends up damaging your skin? You can actually use it 1 to 3 times a week, but I do not recommend using it more than 3 times. Now, what you are going to do is that if you want to be using it once a week, the very first week you want to use it, or you are using it, use it at most 3 times that very first week. Then subsequently you can follow up with 1 or 2 times. But even if you want to follow up with 3 times a week, I do not recommend using it more than 3 times. Now, it's very important that you pay attention to how your skin is able to tolerate it. For some persons, their skin may actually tolerate exfoliating up to 3 times a week. They may not have issues. But for some persons, when they've exfoliated more than twice a week, they will start their skin will start feeling uncomfortable, and like as if they're having minor injuries on their skin. That's because your skin cannot tolerate more than a certain number of times. So if that's how your skin is, just cut down and pay attention to your skin. If your skin can tolerate exfoliating once, then stick to it twice, but I do not recommend exfoliating more than 3 times. So how do you actually exfoliate using this cool spa salt scrub? You can use 3 things, or should I say 3 tools or equipment. You actually use 3 things. First of all, you can use your hand. Now you're just going to gently pour the content of the scrub. I'm going to put the pictures on the screen for you to see. On your hand, and just use it to go around your body and try to get as much coverage as you can. The second way you can use, or the second thing you can use, are exfoliating gloves. Now, exfoliating gloves are better because they have a pretty much coarse texture, and in conjunction with this particle, they will help to enhance the results, but you have to be very, very gentle. Now, the third thing that you can use is your African body sponge. This is actually good because it can help you get full coverage of your back. You just have to stretch it out and use it to exfoliate your back. Now, the thing about using this African body sponge is that if you use African body sponge, this product is actually going to really, really lather very well. So that's what you're going to expect when you are using any of these methods. The African body sponge, you can actually get coverage over your back and areas that you could not have easily gotten access to. And the exfoliating gloves, because of its more coarse texture, it helps you to get better results. And these are just the things that you should know with whatever you want to use. I've listed the merits and demerits of every method. I've talked about the ones if you use your hand, if you use the exfoliating gloves, and if you use the African body sponge. Okay, with that being said, I've talked about the duration, I've talked about how to use it, and yeah, I think I've pretty much talked about everything I need to know about how to use this how to exfoliate properly using this spa salt scrub. Now, how do you use it? How do you order your skincare products once you are exfoliating? First, you go in with your gentle cleanser and just use it to cleanse your body. Like, I like to use the scrub from here down. I do not use it from like on my face, because I do not even recommend using harsh scrubs on the face. This one is even a salt scrub. I do not recommend using a salt scrub on your face. But if you have been using it and probably the skin on your face has adapted to it and you have not had issues, then it's fine. But personally, I do not recommend using scrubs on your face. I've talked about the reason why in my previous videos, and you might want to check them out. I'm going to link it in the description box. So once you are done with cleansing and exfoliating, you're just going to rinse the exfoliant off your skin, and then moisturize. Why was I looking for that word for so long? You're going to moisturize. It's very important that you moisturize. Like, don't skip it. Use your body lotion on your skin after exfoliating, because this process dries out the skin. So it's important that you exfoliate. It's important that you moisturize. So that's pretty much everything I had in store for you in today's video, because I really do not want today's video to be longer than usual. My videos are not usually really long. I like to be very concise, straight to the point, and keep my videos short and explanatory as possible. So I really hope this video was helpful. If you found this video really helpful, please do not hesitate to subscribe and share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Leave a comment for me. I'm going to reply to all your comments. And yes, share this video with someone you think this video will be of help and of benefit to. See you in the next one. Bye.